In this video, you'll learn how to create recurring video meetings, add attachments to a calendar event, and add meeting notes to a calendar event. First, let's create a recurring meeting. Calendar lets you repeat events on a daily, weekly, monthly, or annual basis. You can also select for events to reoccur only on weekdays or choose custom options. For example, you might want to create a project review meeting that occurs on Monday and Thursday of every week for 12 weeks only. In this example, you'd choose a custom recurrence. Let's choose an end date for the meeting by either choosing a date or specifying a number of occurrences. When you create a recurring event in Calendar with Google Meet video conferencing, the meeting details, including the Meet code and attachments, remain the same for each occurrence of the meeting. You can also change a one-time meeting to a recurring one by editing it. Now let's add an attachment to a calendar event. When creating a Google Meet video meeting in Calendar, you can attach resources such as a meeting agenda, slide presentation, or doc file for reference or review during the meeting. To add an attachment to an existing meeting, click the event in Calendar and then click Edit Event. Click Add Attachment and then select a file from your Drive account or upload a file from your device. If you select a file from your Drive account and click Save, Calendar prompts you if the resource sharing permissions need to be modified for your guests to access it. To provide access, select Viewer, Commenter, or Editor from the drop-down and then click Save Event. Now let's add meeting notes to a calendar event. You can also create shared meeting notes from your calendar invite. Click the event in your calendar and then click Take Meeting Notes to create a new docs file. All meeting guests will have editor access to it, including guests outside of your organization. During the video meeting, all resources shared in the calendar event can be accessed by clicking the Meeting Details button and then the Attachments tab. Click any of the attachments to open them in a new browser tab.